Hey everyone, today we're going to be coding a bot that is going to be used with a large language model like ChatGPT, and we're going to combine that with Signal. So at the end of this, we are going to hopefully have a bot that talks on Signal for us. So for this project, we're going to be using Python, and since Signal doesn't offer an API, in order to do this, in order for this to work, we're going to start off by taking a screenshot of our Signal chat, and then we're going to use OCR technology to read the screenshot and convert the image to text. And it's just a matter of using the correct window and then printing out whatever the text that it sees. We're just going to repeat this process over and over again, uh, which is going to give our bot the ability to read the conversation. So now we have the ability to read and store text from a Signal conversation. We now need to use that text and send it off to the Open AI API. We're going to prompt the text with something to tell it how to act in the chat, and we will also need a function that is going to take what the API is returning and have it type into the Signal chat and press enter. There is a minor problem though. If the API returns multiple lines, pressing enter will make it enter text before it finishes answering or responding. So after a quick fix of making the bot not press enter too early, the bot is born. So with just a small amount of trial and error, just adjusting the prompt, the timing, and the chat, we have a Signal bot that is fully functional. And although it had an obsession with my friend Sunil, seriously, it loved him, it quickly became something that others in the Signal group chat were having a lot of fun with. Even I wasn't off limits for its topic of discussion. The bot even tried to steer the conversation away from certain topics, which of course would help get this channel monetized one day. And if you want to see that happen and you happen to like coding videos, make sure to click the subscribe button and like the video. Better yet, if you want to learn how to code, go over to codely.io, where you can start learning how to code things like this that I did in this video. It's designed for both new and veteran coders, and you can experience dynamic learning that surpasses traditional coding videos and tutorials. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Uh, this is my large language model using Signal, and it was just kind of a quick prototype to working demo, and there's a lot of things you can do to advance it, and I'm just going to kind of leave it here, and maybe I'll advance it one day. One of the things that they want to see was a way to call the bot and make it give a summary of the chat, which would be kind of neat. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.